Starting off with 12 vegan sausages cut in half, 4 medium potatoes cubed, 4 medium tomatoes also cut into 4, 3 red bell peppers cut into strips, 2 medium onions finely chopped, 1 heaped tablespoon of tomato puree, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 of basil. Now starting off in our casserole dish, we're going in with some olive oil, the onions, the garlic, the herbs and spices. Mix that all in together and add in your peppers and tomatoes. Give that a good stir, cover it for 5 minutes, sprinkle on some salt. Next, go in with your tomato puree once that's softened a bit, and add a touch of water. Next, we're going to throw in our vegan sausages and our potatoes, and we're going to fill that up until it just about covers the top of both, and we're going to put a lid over that. Now, just in case anyone was wondering what brand I'm using for this, I'm using Denny's meat-free range. Now make sure you're doing this on a low flame, and after about 45 minutes to an hour that would have reduced a bit. Then I'm just going to sprinkle on there some thyme, and I'm going to pop the lid back on because I want all the flavors and the aromas of that to just cover the top layer, and let that sit for 5 minutes. The moment you lift the lid off of that, you're just going to have such an amazing smell. It's going to be amazing. As you can see, a beautiful, hearty and delicious dish. So this challenge was sent in to me by Abby Ibbotson on TikTok. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please do leave a like, leave a comment, leave a request down below if you wish to. Ciao for now, see you on the next one, because that's how you make vegan sausage casserole.